Yo, listen. New track.
It's on 5-0. Youngers. 2015, yeah? Eastleigh Boys.
I guess it's hard being me. You understand that, but you won't understand me. They don't know who I am, they acknowledge my identity, my name, birthday, and the pin of my BB. My life ain't all you see my Facebook page, my statuses don't show my authentic state. I can post some cons, but I'm poker face. Don't show emotion in public just to stay away, so please stay away. I don't need any more mates. I got day ones, they don't even know my day. I can't show them my pain. They either think I'm a wuss or a puss or a gay. It's such a shame that we can't be truthful no matter what it takes. I ain't calling them snakes, it's me. I'm still running around the hate, but I should just say before it's too late. I be jamming at a party, looking like a Maserati, but it looks like I lost my car keys when the girl walks over to me and asks me how's the party, how's your night, have some Hennessy, have some ecstasy. She looked like she already drugged me, can't keep on my heartbeat, butterflies in my belly, looking up the ceiling, think what's ahead of me. But I'm stuck in history, feeling for the remedy, raving to a melody that's in my head. Come on with the beat that I can take to MIC. I want to see what can COP. If they call me the season, I'ma make 64 to an IVG. So when know me when AZ, I'ma be an MC till I'm OAP. On the TV looking BAT. I can see through the FOG, you think BIG, but you're nothing to me, gonna be VIP to the END to make a HIT. You all grab me on your CD. I ain't no JDZ or SBTV, but it's still hot in the booth. You better turn up the AC. Cause Charlie looks like about to sweat. Better give him some links and some screaming. And I ain't being me, I'm only 14, but I'm running circles around these MCs who think they can RAP. But I've seen more meat wrapped up in a bacon sarnie. So there ain't a place I'm repping right now. I don't really care where I'm stepping right now. I'll show you I'm fucking the set right now. I schooled them man before your tinsel pipe down. I guess it's all being me. You understand that, but you won't understand me. My life ain't all you see as pretty. The sky ain't blue and the grass ain't green. Neither is the weed and neither is the peas. Black and white's where true colours are seen. I'm a brown boy, so I don't know where I have to be. Either way, the beef on the streets and the weed in my teeth make me see red, so I don't care if I'm unique. But ain't a boy like me. I ain't here to camouflage like all you trees. Manifest like all you bees. I'm here to take your nuts and honey, make your recipes so sweet. Don't need a chair like all you MCs. And a branded t-shirt to show I'm lean. I ain't wearing the same kit as the team, but I'm balling like MLTD. Now I don't like older looking me like a youth. Spot me like another lad to recruit. As you can see, I already got my crew. Plus a lot of people telling me what to do. I'm spitting in the booth to make a rebellion for all of you, trying to make a move and becoming a legend for all of you. Since I ain't really had no one to look up to, but I'm always jamming in the booth, coming up with a tune. I'm new to news, but I ain't breaking in the interviews. I don't want to be in front of 1,000,000 foot soldiers, but acting over those million of shoulders. Just like the few friends I got at the moment. I don't praise my brothers, but I definitely know it. I recruited the crew that I'm going to the top with. Fuck ringing the doorbell, I'm gonna bang open the door. Never heard of a locksmith. I'm a lock, this game is mine. I've already taken it hostage. Know what's squanning if you still listen to me. I've already dragged you into your screens. Couple more tracks. Breezy be running the whole city.